what's up, Sam here. Today I will be unboxing the Kingsmith WalkingPad X21 Treadmill. Actually, I have reviewed their R1 Pro months ago and I absolutely love it. It's smart, it's well built, and I use it every day. Every week. Anyway, let's just unbox it. Okay, first we see a box. Let's just unbox it. We have silicone lubricant, power cord, an Allen wrench, a safety key, instruction manual, a warranty card, and a foam bracket. And then we have the walking pad. These are all included in the box. Let's just put them away and set the thing up. That's it. And now let's install the foam bracket. Alright, that's it. Now let's power the thing on and give it a run. Alright, that's it. As you can see, I've changed my outfit. I'm ready to run. But there is a big barrier here. Before you get your feet on it, you have to make sure the belt is right in the middle. You can start testing it a little bit, and if it's not in the middle as it's running, then you have to use this Allen key to adjust the hole here to make sure it's in the middle. For the specific method, maybe you have to go to Kingsmith feature set, which I will link in the description. And once you've done that, you can finally enjoy your running on the treadmill safely. This is the first time getting my feet on it. I just feel unwilling to step my daughter's shoes on it, so I'm gonna just take it off and run with my bare feet. And I'm gonna tell you my impression of it. Let's get started, shall we? Okay, 15 minutes. Wow! To conclude, 3 things I really like about this X21. First is ease of use and assembly. Basically, it's 100% assembled and it's ready to run. And second is its superb design and well-built quality. It folds itself twice, so you can basically store anywhere you want and doesn't take up that much space. It also has an innovative knob design here, so you can adjust the speed like conveniently, not like other treadmills that might use a remote controller, which you might lose. And the well-built quality, check out the aluminum alloy handle here, the base, the belt. I can run comfortably even with my bare feet, and that's really great. I like it. Third is intelligence. It's smart. It got overload protection, children lock, and it also has a smart app. Alright, that's my first impression. If you are interested in this treadmill, you can find the link in the description. They are kind enough to offer an extra $100 off coupon. Enjoy it. And here I'm gonna make a resolution. I will lose 10 pounds by just running on this treadmill in a month. Right now my weight is 85 kilograms, which the BMI is 28, which is overweight. It's not good for my health, And then I will share you a more in-depth review, a more in-depth video. Yeah, good luck. And I really hope I can do it. Anyway, thanks for watching. I'm Sammy. I will see you in the next one. Bye bye. and I use it every day. Every day? Every week? Every week? Can you explain this? Would you just shut